Ladies and gents, I'll present to you the most underrated tool in the workshop, and it doesn't cost much. This one is made by Kuhn, made in Germany, and it has a hole for the regular and the bigger. And this is something that all of us not only don't do all the time. For some stupid reason, at least in my shop, every time that a pencil falls, it falls tip first and it breaks. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but if it happens to you too, leave me a comment, let me know. So, you put something together and somehow there is a discrepancy between two pieces of wood, but if you do this with this pencil, and you do this with this one, you will see that there is a gap, and there is like a 1/16 of an inch difference. So you compound that through several cuts, and we ever wonder why stuff doesn't come out perfectly square? Well, anyways, that's my stupid video. That's my attempt to become an influencer. So anyways, enjoy the rest of your day. Ciao, ciao.